Deep within southern Africa lies the Okavango Delta, a vibrant oasis in the Kalahari Desert. This wetland, a marvel of nature, nourishes an astonishing array of plants and animals. Originating in Angola, the Okavango River fans out into a labyrinth of channels and islands. The annual inundation transforms the parched landscape into a lush paradise, attracting abundant wildlife. The delta's existence is a delicate balance between water and desert, supporting a rich tapestry of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the Okavango teems with life. The Okavango Delta is a vital sanctuary for wildlife, attracting vast herds seeking refuge from the desert. Elephants, lions, cheetahs and wild dogs call this place home, finding water, food and shelter. During the dry season, the delta becomes a magnet for wildlife, creating spectacular scenes of natural abundance. Over 400 bird species, including the fish eagle and lilac-breasted roller, thrive here. The delta's diverse habitats provide ideal nesting and feeding grounds for a wide variety of avian species. Protecting the delta and its biodiversity is crucial for the future of the planet. In 2014, the Okavango Delta was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its outstanding universal value. This status underscores the delta's ecological significance and the importance of preserving its unique ecosystem. The delta's dynamic ecosystem, driven by the annual flood pulse, supports a remarkable diversity of life. Sustainable management practices are essential to ensure the delta's long-term preservation. The Okavango Delta earned its World Heritage status for its exceptional natural beauty and ecological processes. The annual flood pulse shapes the distribution of plants and animals, creating a cycle of renewal and adaptation. The delta supports exceptional biodiversity, providing habitat for threatened species like the African wild dog and cheetah. Its inclusion on the World Heritage List signifies its global importance as a natural treasure. Continued conservation efforts are needed to protect the delta's unique ecosystem and biodiversity. The World Heritage status serves as a reminder of our shared responsibility to preserve this natural wonder. Preserving the Okavango Delta requires collaboration between local communities, government agencies, and conservation organizations. Sustainable development initiatives are essential for balancing human needs with ecological preservation. Climate change poses a significant threat, affecting water availability and wildlife populations. Implementing climate adaptation strategies is crucial for the delta's resilience. Protecting the delta is a global imperative, supporting conservation efforts and promoting responsible tourism. Ensuring the survival of the Okavango Delta is a testament to our commitment to protecting biodiversity. It is a legacy we can leave for future generations. The Okavango Delta is a haven for Africa's iconic predators, including lions, cheetahs and leopards. Lions rule the grasslands, hunting large prey like buffalo and zebra. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals, chase down impala and gazelle in the open grasslands. Leopards, masters of stealth, stalk their prey through dense vegetation. The delta's waterways support a healthy population of crocodiles, formidable ambush predators. These predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. The Okavango Delta is renowned for its large elephant population, a symbol of the delta's wild beauty. Elephants shape the landscape, creating pathways and digging water holes that benefit other animals. They live in complex family groups, led by experienced matriarchs, guiding their families to water and food. The delta's abundant vegetation provides ample sustenance for these herbivores. Conservation efforts in the delta are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of elephants. Their presence is a symbol of hope for the future of wildlife conservation. The Okavango Delta is home to African wild dogs, known for their striking coat patterns and complex social behavior. They live in packs, using cooperative hunting strategies to take down large prey. The delta's open grasslands and woodlands provide ideal habitat for these predators. Protecting their habitat and mitigating human-wildlife conflict are essential for their survival. Conservation efforts in the delta are vital for maintaining a healthy population of these endangered canids. Their continued presence is a testament to successful conservation initiatives. The Okavango Delta represents a beacon of hope for rhino conservation. Both black and white rhinos have made a remarkable comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. Black rhinos prefer dense vegetation, while white rhinos graze in open grasslands. The Delta's success in rhino conservation provides a model for other regions. Effective anti-poaching measures and community engagement are key to protecting endangered species. The Delta's story offers hope for the future of rhino conservation worldwide. The Okavango Delta boasts a spectacular array of bird species, including the elegant crested crane. Its golden crown and graceful movements make it a true symbol of beauty. The crested crane navigates the delta's shallow waters and grasslands with ease. Its distinctive call adds to the symphony of sounds in the delta. Revered in many African cultures, the crested crane symbolizes longevity and good fortune. Its presence underscores the interconnectedness between nature and human culture in the delta. The hammerkop, a peculiar and fascinating bird, is another notable resident of the Okavango Delta. Its unusual name, derived from the Afrikaans word for hammerhead, refers to the distinctive shape of its head, which resembles a hammer. This unique feature sets it apart from other bird species, making it easily recognizable among the delta's diverse avian population. The hammerkop is renowned for its exceptional nest-building skills, constructing massive dome-shaped nests that can weigh up to 50 kilograms. These elaborate structures, often built in trees or on rocky outcrops, are a testament to the bird's architectural prowess. The nests, made of sticks, mud and other materials, are remarkably sturdy and provide a safe haven for the hammerkop's young. These industrious birds are often seen wading in the shallow waters of the delta, searching for their primary food source, frogs, fish and aquatic invertebrates. Their long legs and specialized beaks allow them to effectively forage in the muddy shallows, probing the water for their next meal. Their presence contributes to the delta's intricate food web, playing a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. The hammerkop's unique appearance and nest-building behavior make it a captivating subject for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts visiting the Okavango. Its presence adds to the rich tapestry of life that thrives in the delta, showcasing the diversity and wonder of the avian world. Observing these remarkable birds in their natural habitat is a truly rewarding experience. The sacred ibis, a bird steeped in history and mythology, graces the Okavango Delta with its presence. Revered in ancient Egypt as a symbol of the god Thoth, the ibis holds a significant place in cultural history. Its association with wisdom and knowledge adds a layer of mystique to its already captivating presence in the delta. With its distinctive curved beak and pristine white plumage, the sacred ibis is a striking sight against the backdrop of the delta's lush vegetation. Its long legs allow it to wade gracefully through the shallow waters, searching for food. Its elegant posture and deliberate movements exude an aura of tranquility and grace. The sacred ibis plays an important ecological role in the delta, feeding on insects, crustaceans and other small creatures. Its presence helps to control populations of these organisms, contributing to the overall balance of the ecosystem. Its feeding habits also help to recycle nutrients, enriching the delta's fertile environment. The sacred ibis's historical significance and ecological importance make it a truly remarkable species. Its presence in the Okavango Delta adds a touch of ancient history to the present-day wonder of this natural paradise. Observing these elegant birds in their natural habitat is a privilege and a reminder of the interconnectedness of nature and culture. The Okavango Delta's rich tapestry of avian life extends far beyond the crested crane and hammerkop. Over 400 bird species have been recorded, creating a symphony of calls and colors. From the majestic fish eagle to the tiny malachite kingfisher, the delta offers breathtaking avian diversity. The varied habitats provide ideal nesting and feeding grounds. The abundance of fish and insects supports a thriving bird population. Seasonal water level fluctuations influence bird distribution and abundance. Birdwatching in the delta is an unforgettable experience, showcasing vibrant colors and captivating calls. The Okavango Delta's ecosystem is intricately linked to the annual flood pulse, dictating the rhythm of life. Floodwaters from the Angolan highlands transform the arid landscape into a lush oasis. This inundation shapes biodiversity and drives ecological processes. Floodwaters spread across channels and lagoons, rejuvenating vegetation. The landscape bursts with new life as plants and animals respond. The flood marks a time of renewal and abundance. The arrival of the floodwaters brings a period of abundance to the Okavango Delta. The replenished water sources and rejuvenated vegetation provide ample food and resources for the delta's inhabitants. Wildlife congregates in large numbers, drawn to the promise of sustenance and the opportunity to breed and raise their young. The floodplains become a haven for fish, attracting a variety of fish-eating birds and other aquatic predators. The increased water levels create ideal breeding grounds for fish, ensuring a plentiful food source for the delta's diverse wildlife. The abundance of fish also supports the livelihoods of local communities who rely on fishing for sustenance and income. The floodwaters also disperse nutrients throughout the delta, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. This burst of new vegetation provides sustenance for herbivores such as elephants, hippos and antelopes, which in turn attract predators like lions and leopards. The flood pulse creates a chain reaction of abundance that ripples through the entire ecosystem. The flood season is a time of renewal and regeneration for the Okavango Delta. The influx of water breathes new life into the landscape, supporting a thriving ecosystem and ensuring the survival of its diverse inhabitants. The delta's ability to sustain such a rich array of life is a testament to the power and importance of the annual flood pulse. The Okavango Delta's wildlife has evolved to adapt to the cyclical changes brought about by the annual flood pulse. Animals have developed unique strategies for coping with the fluctuating water levels and the seasonal availability of resources. Their ability to adapt to these changing conditions is a testament to their resilience and evolutionary ingenuity. Some animals, like fish and amphibians, thrive in the aquatic environment created by the floodwaters. They take advantage of the increased breeding opportunities and the abundance of food. Their life cycles are intricately linked to the rhythm of the flood, ensuring their survival in this dynamic ecosystem. Other animals, like large mammals, adapt their movements and behavior to the changing water levels. Elephants, for example, use their trunks to snorkel in deep water, while hippos submerge themselves for extended periods. Their ability to navigate the flooded landscape ensures their access to food and water. Some species, like certain birds, time their breeding season to coincide with the flood. The increased availability of food and the creation of new nesting sites provide ideal conditions for raising their young. Their reproductive strategies are synchronized with the delta's natural rhythms, ensuring the survival of their offspring. The Okavango Delta stands as a testament to the raw beauty and untamed wilderness that still exists on our planet. It is a place where the rhythms of nature dictate the flow of life, where the annual flood pulse breathes life into the arid landscape, and where a remarkable diversity of species thrives in a delicate balance. The Delta's unique ecosystem is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living laboratory of natural processes, and a source of wonder and inspiration for all who experience its magic. The Delta's ecological importance extends far beyond its borders. It plays a vital role in regulating regional climate patterns and supporting a complex web of life that connects the Delta to the wider African landscape. Its existence is crucial for the health of the planet, contributing to the global balance of ecosystems and the preservation of biodiversity. However, this natural wonder faces increasing pressures from human activities, including climate change, habitat loss, and pollution. Protecting the Okavango Delta is a global imperative. We must work together to ensure that this unique ecosystem remains intact for future generations. The Okavango Delta is a legacy for the future, a gift to be cherished and protected. It is a place where we can reconnect with nature and witness the wonders of the natural world. By preserving the Okavango Delta, we safeguard not only a unique ecosystem, but also a source of inspiration and hope. Let us work together to ensure that this natural wonder continues to thrive, inspiring awe and wonder in all who experience its magic.